How are you? Apa kabar?
Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu kamu.
Can I have some water? Boleh saya minta air?
How much is this? Berapa harganya?
Where is the bathroom? Di mana kamar mandi?
It's right over there.
I would like this one. Saya mau yang ini.
I'm sorry. Saya minta maaf. Thank you very much. Terima kasih banyak.
I don't understand. Saya tidak mengerti. See you later. Sampai jumpa lagi.